The low-price segment remains one of the most profitable for smartphone manufacturers to this day. A significant part of users are not ready to spend extra money on unnecessary additional functionality. In addition, low-cost phones are getting better every day, both in terms of design and performance. But how are things going with the strength, autonomy and other aspects of a modern mobile assistant for small amount of money? The hero of today's review will answer this question. The bezel-less 5.5-inch screen with size ratio at 18:9, dual cameras, a fingerprint sensor, high-quality curved display glass aren't a full list of the advantages of the appearance of the device. It's hard not to be impressed by displayed by the IPS panel image, which will please with brightness and contrast. The resolution at 1280 by 640 pixels is the optimum in terms of detailization and power consumption. In addition, the HD screen also supports multi-touch for 5 touches. 2 GB of RAM draws the capacity of the MediaTek MTK6580 processor and the Mali 400MP2 video chip to a decent level. Of course, the successful launch of demanding games with good graphics settings is not possible. However, the speed of the Android Nougat interface does not cause any complaints. 16 GB of ROM are supplemented with a slot for microSD cards, so that the device can store countless music, applications and photos. The rear and front 8 and 5 megapixel cameras will help the auxiliary 2 megapixel modules bypass a lot of opponents in the value category for shooting quality. Do not frustrate the size of the active screen time, thanks to the battery at 2850 mAh reaching 7 hours. Supports for 3G and LED flash of the front photo module organically complements the above pluses of not ideal, but extremely cute and interesting in all parameters the device.